Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at staging. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to head over into the menu. From the menu, we're going to head down to publishing for our site. We're going to want to make sure we're at the Livingston Hotels and Resorts site. We'll head over to publishing, followed by staging. Right, since we don't have a remote server, we can only use local live. So let's go ahead and enable local live, and we have a number of options given to us. Under page versioning, we're going to click enabled for our public pages. So that way we can have multiple versions of the public pages to work on. We can work on the same page, creating different versions, working on these versions in parallel. Once we have those options squared away, we'll scroll down to the bottom and then click save. We're going to have an "Are you sure?" We'll go ahead and click OK. So we'll wait a few moments here. It might take a little bit since we have a fair amount of content within our site. So we've successfully entered into the staging mode of our Livingston Hotels and Resorts. Let's go ahead and test this out. So we're going to head over to Site Builder, followed by Pages. From Pages, we're going to click on the plus button or the add button to add a public page. From there, we're going to be adding a widget page. So we'll go ahead and select widget page, and we have to give this page a name. We'll call it News and Specials. From here, I'll go ahead and click Add. And we'll wait a few moments to get the options. And for our layout column, we're going to select one column. With that selected, I'll go ahead and scroll down, and then we're going to click Save. Let's go ahead and click on Go to Site here on the left-hand side. And you'll see there's a lot of options that are given to us, a lot of new things that we did not have before entering staging. So let's head over to the News and Special, and we'll click on the Add menu up here at the top right. We're going to open up the content section, and we're looking for the Bavarian Special Offer. Let's see if we can find that. For me, I forgot to name it, so for me it's under Untitled Special Offers. So go ahead and drag and drop that. If you followed exactly as I did, then that would be the name. We can change it really quick here. So Bavarian Special Offer. There we go. So now that we've added the Bavarian Special Offer, let's go ahead and head into the options of the web content display, followed by look and feel. We're going to be switching things up and going bare bones with the application. So selecting bare bone. From here, I'll click Save. We can now exit out of the look and feel configuration, and we'll see there are no sort of borders, nothing here indicating that there's a widget. So again, everything that we're doing here is happening in the staged environment. To give an example, let's see, we're in Firefox. So if I head over to localhost 8080, you'll see that the page doesn't even exist yet. It's not until I finish the publish to live that we have our site made available. So let's go ahead and publish to live. So 2 steps here. We first need to slide ready for publication. Now that we're ready, we'll go ahead and click Publish to Live. We'll give a name for the first publication as Initial Publication, and then let's go ahead and click on Publish to Live. Now that that has been taken care of, we can exit out of the pop-up, and then if we wanted to take a look at this one more time, we could. Heading back to my incognito window, when I refresh the page, we'll see News and Special. It's here, right, and all of the changes that we have made. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what page variations look like. So we're going to click on the options button up here at the top right, and then selecting page variation. From here, we'll click on add page variation, and we'll give this a name. We'll call this Hotel Americana Offer Content Update. If you want to add a description, feel free to do so, and afterwards we'll click add. We'll close the pop-up. We'll click on the add button to open up the add menu up here at the top right. Under the content section, we're going to look for the Hotel Americana Special Offers. So I remember to label this one. So we'll drag and drop this one right under the Bavarian Special Offers. I'll close the side menu here, and let's go ahead and make some changes to this web content display. Following what we did previously, we'll head over into the look and feel configuration, and then we're going to select bare bone. From there, we'll go ahead and click Save, and then we can exit out of this window here. Let's go ahead and get ready to publish by sliding the slider over, and then let's click on Publish to Live. For the name, let's add something descriptive. Following the instructions, it'll be Hotel Americana Offer Added. From there, we'll go ahead and click Publish to Live, And then once it's finished, we'll go ahead and exit out. Right, one more check. We'll head back over to my incognito window. Again, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Once I refresh the page, our changes have been made, published, and good to go. So that wraps it up for this video, and I will see you in the next video.